Imagine this. It's 8 p.m., you're finally unwinding after a long day in your cozy apartment. But the sink is a battlefield of greasy plates, sticky utensils, and fruit-stained bowls mocking your relaxation. Hand washing? A 20-minute dreadfest that wastes water and saps your energy. Full-sized dishwashers? Forget it, they devour counter space like a black hole in your already cramped kitchen. Enter this BLITZHOME Wi-Fi Countertop portable mini dishwasher. A compact powerhouse that's not just a gadget, but a lifestyle upgrade for the space-challenged modern world. As someone who's juggled dorm life, RV road trips, and urban micro-apartments, I put this 5.2-liter wonder through a month's real-world gauntlet. Spoiler: it's the hero your sink's been begging for. Let's dive deep into why this portable mini dishwasher isn't hype. It's your ticket to dish freedom. What hooked me first was its unassuming elegance. At 21.6 by 14.2 by 19.5 inches, the BLITZHOME mini dishwasher tucks neatly beside your coffee maker or under a cabinet overhang, blending into apartments, RVs, or dorm setups without stealing the show. Yet, pop open those doors and it's deceptively roomy. The 2-level rack system swallows up to 12-inch plates. Remove the top rack for even larger 11.81-inch dinnerware, fitting full meals for 4 to 6 people. No more Tetris loading your sink. Everything from wine glasses to casserole dishes stacks intuitively, cutting prep time in half. And those upgraded accessories? A fruit basket for quick rinses, a measuring cup for precise dosing, plus hoses and clamps for seamless setup. It's like the dishwasher read my chaotic mind and packed accordingly. But brains beat brawn here, and the smart app control is pure genius. Download the BLITZHOME app, iOS/Android compatible. Connect via Wi-Fi, and suddenly you're orchestrating cycles from your couch or your campsite. Monitor wash progress in real time, get pinged on temperature spikes up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for germ-busting power, and receive error alerts before a hiccup turns into hassle. Schedule a 24-hour delayed start for off-peak runs. Pause mid-cycle if you forgot that one fork, or even share device access with roommates. I created groups for quick family dinners and post-party cleanup, turning chores into customizable rituals. It's not just convenient, it's empowering, especially for remote workers or travelers who hate coming home to funk. Now, the cleaning magic. 9 tailored wash programs cover every curveball life throws. Standard, 58 minutes, tackles everyday grime. ECO saves energy for light loads. Baby care ramps up sanitation for tiny tots bottles. Strong blasts baked on lasagna residue. Quick zips through mugs in 29 minutes. Fruit, 19 minutes, refreshes berries without sogginess. Self-clean maintains the machine. Dry focuses on air drying, and delayed start syncs with your clock. Powered by 360 degrees spray arms, it unleashes a high-pressure vortex that hits every nook. I've resurrected ruined pans that hand-washing surrendered to. The PTC hot air drying kicks in for 60 minutes post-wash, evaporating moisture faster than a summer breeze, while the 72-hour air refresh circulates fresh air to banish odors. My dishes emerge not just clean, but crisp. No towel-drying marathons or musty smells lurking for days. Flexibility reigns with dual water supply modes. Tank mode draws from the 5.2-liter built-in reservoir, refill in seconds, no plumbing needed, perfect for off-grid RV adventures or power outage-proof dorms. Switch to faucet mode for unlimited flow via the included hose. Hook it to any tap in under 5 minutes. And the LED interior light? A game-changer for loading in dim kitchens, spotlighting forgotten spots like a mini operating room. But the real mic drop: water savings. Just 5.2-liter per cycle slashes usage by 85% over hand washing, without skimping on sparkle. In a world obsessed with sustainability, this countertop dishwasher feels like a quiet rebellion against waste. My utility bill noticed, and so did my conscience, of course. No reviews complete without the nitty-gritty pros and cons, served up in digestible bullets for your scrolling pleasure. Key features that'll make you say, "Why didn't I get this sooner?" Smart app mastery, real-time tracking, scheduling, and notifications via Wi-Fi. Control your portable dishwasher from anywhere, even sharing. Access for family sync-ups. 9 versatile programs. From 19-minute fruit washes to heavy-duty strong cycles, plus self-clean for maintenance. Adapts to baby bottles, greasy pots, or delicate glassware with precision timing. P2C hot air drying plus air refresh. 60-minute auto dry plus 72-hour fresh air circulation ensures bone-dry, bacteria-free dishes. No more damp cabinets or funky aftertastes. 360-degree high-temp assault. 3 spray arms plus 167 degrees Fahrenheit heat obliterate grease and stains, delivering restaurant level. Clean in a fraction of the space. Dual water flexibility. 5.2-liter tank for portability or faucet connect for endless supply. Seamless for apartments, RVs, boats, or tiny homes. Compact yet cavernous. Fits tight spots but loads for 4 to 6. Adjustable racks plus LED light make filling foolproof. Eco-warrior efficiency. 85% water savings per cycle, plus energy smart modes. Green living without greenwashing. Bonus perks: 24H timer, child lock vibes, pause/start ease, and full accessory kit, fruit basket, hoses, cups. Setup's a breeze, no plumber required. Real benefits that transformed my routine. Time reclaimed. What used to be 30+ minutes of scrubbing, now 20-minute cycles plus app oversight equals evenings for Netflix. Not sponges. For RV folks, it's a sanity saver on long hauls. Hygiene on autopilot. High temp kills 99.9% germs by lingering bacteria, and air refresh keeps things pristine. Ideal for allergy-prone homes or post-dinner parties. Space and sanity saver. In my 400 sq ft apartment, it freed counter real estate while handling family feasts. Water savings? That's $20 per month back in my pocket, plus Planet Points. Stress-free portability. Wheeled base, subtle but clutch, lets me roll it from kitchenette to patio. Tank mode means no hookup drama for renters or van lifers. Long-term joy. Quiet operation, under 50 dB. Won't wake babies, and durable stainless steel build promises years of service. Warranty-backed peace of mind. A few honest caveats. The tank refills mid-cycle for megaloads, rare for its size. An app setup needs a stable Wi-Fi signal. 2.4 GHz only. Minor quibbles in a sea of wins. Firmware updates have smooth glitches since launch. In a market flooded with bulky behemoths, the BLITZHOME Wi-Fi Countertop portable mini dishwasher stands out as the smart, sassy solution for real life. It's not just cleaning dishes. It's reclaiming your time, space, and sanity in an era of micro-living. If you're drowning in dish drudgery or plotting your next tiny home escape, this is your cue. Why settle for soggy compromises when spotless simplicity awaits? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications, snag exclusive deals, and transform your kitchen today. Your future self, sipping wine, feet up, will thank you. Don't wait. Add to cart now and wash away the weight. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.